Hello friend, today we will bring you an introduction to one of our full gasket set. You can see this is the shelf for our gasket kit and head gasket. We have sufficient stock of different models. This is the cylinder gasket of our V2203 engine, which is made of asbestos. For LE2 engine cylinder head gasket, material steel. 3TM V84 engine cylinder gasket, made of graphite. These gasket kits are packed in Bail brand, which is sturdy and beautiful. Different models are available in stock. As long as you provide me with the part number of the product, I can find it for you in any car model. Thank you for watching our video. If you are interested in any product, feel free to leave us a message below.